Good morning, my students. How are you today? I hope that you are fine now. Today, I'm going to give you the materials about the expression of greeting, introducing, and parting. This is only review so that you can get the lesson more quickly and you know it well. This is the expression of greetings, introducing, and partings. I give you a picture about this introducing yourself. This is about yourselves, okay? Look at, there is the teacher, the students. Where are they now? They are in the classroom. Okay, next. If you want to introduce yourself, you can say that, hello, I'm Nicholas. I'm from Spain. I'm 30 years old. There are 4 of us in my family. I live with my wife and children. My birthday is on January the 1st. This is Nicholas. Who is he? He is Nicholas. Berarti kan dia adalah seorang Nicholas dan berumur berapa tahun? 30 tahun. Berarti dia adalah seorang ayah. He is a father. You can read this at home. Okay, my dear. Next. How to introduce yourself? If you want to introduce yourself to your friend, you can say that, for example, my name is Kevin. I am 12 years old. Nice to meet you. I'm Kevin. Pleased to meet you. I'm Kevin. Let me introduce myself. I'm Kevin. I like to introduce myself. I'm Kevin. It is talking about introducing yourself. And then how to introduce yourself to the others. You can say that, John, please meet Nicholas. John, have you met Nicholas? I'd like you to meet Lisa. I'd like to introduce you to Betty. Tom, this is Anna. Anna, this is Tom. There are 2 people or more than 2 people. That's why you can introduce yourself to the others. And how to useful responses. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Happy to meet you. How do you do? If your friend say that, how do you do? You can answer, how do you do? And if your friend say that, nice to meet you, you can say that, nice to meet you too. Please don't say, thank you. It is wrong. Okay, next. Wait a moment. That is talking about introduction. Now, we are reviewing again about greeting and parting. The meaning of greeting is salam, and the meaning of parting is selamat tinggal. Okay, look at this. Good morning, my students. In this theme, we will study about greetings and partings. They are the expressions that we can use when we meet or want to leave someone. It is important to study about greetings and partings because, sangat penting untuk mempelajari greeting dan parting karena apa? Because we know that greetings and partings can help us to communicate with other people. Greeting dan parting dapat membantu kita berkomunikasi dengan orang lain. Bagaimana kalau kalian bertemu dengan orang yang tidak dikenal? Apakah kalian hanya diam saja? Tidak. Apakah kitanya senyum-senyum? Senyum cengengisan ya kalau kata orang. Tidak. Nah, berarti fungsi dari greeting dan parting adalah untuk mengkomunikasikan, to communicate, ya, untuk mengkomunikasikan atau berkomunikasi. In this way, the harmony of life can grow well. We can learn greetings and parting to be friendly to everybody, supaya kita menjadi ramah kepada semua orang. You can say that hello when we meet someone and say goodbye when we want to leave. Okay? Nah, next. Nah, there is the expression of greetings. Kalau ekspresi dari greeting ada yang lebih formal dan ada yang kurang formal. Nah, lebih more formal ini biasanya fungsinya di dalam atau kalian kepada guru, kalian kepada orang tua atau yang lebih tua dari kalian. For the example, good morning sir, good morning ma'am, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, how nice to see you. Oke, nah responsnya bagaimana? Sama. Good morning ma'am, good morning my students, good afternoon ma'am, good afternoon my students. Sama ya nak, kecuali dengan hello sampai ke bawah sudah mulai kurang formal ya, seperti hello. Nah, biasanya hello atau hi kalian bertemu dengan orang yang lebih muda dari kalian atau dengan sebaya. Hello Gunawan, hello Betty, seperti itu ya, atau hi. Begitu juga dengan how are you? I'm fine, thanks. How do you do? Nah, tadi Mem sudah katakan, jikalau kalian atau teman kalian berkata how do you do, kalian juga akan atau harus wajib menjawab how do you do. Jangan bilang how are you today, tidak boleh, atau I'm fine. No, it is forbidden, itu dilarang ya. Jadi kemarin ada soal kan Mem kasih how do you do, Anda jawabnya how are you, tidak boleh. Seperti ini juga ketentuannya. And then how are you doing, not bad. Nah, ini maksudnya bukan bagaimana pekerjaanmu, tidak. Ini menanyakan kabar ya. How are you doing, not bad. Nah, ini kan sudah tidak formal lagi. Atau hi. Oke, nakku. Nah, kalau nanti bisa dipelajari lagi di rumah, dibaca-baca kembali anak ya. Oke, nah, greeting. Nah, ini sama dengan yang Mem katakan sebelumnya. Greeting, bagaimana responsnya? Tadi sudah ya nak ya, boleh dipelajari nanti di rumah. And then wait a moment. Nah, ini tadi sudah ada kata atau the expression of greeting. Sekarang kita akan mengatakan atau memulai dengan the expression of partings. Nah, ini ada juga more formal dan less formal. Nah, bagaimana Mem mengucapkannya? Nah, seperti ini. Kalau dibilang partings, good night, kalian bisa meresponsnya good night juga. Goodbye, see you later, see you, bye. Nah, kejam sekali kata-katanya, tapi begitulah. Kalau kita di luar negeri ya seperti itu. Ya nak ya. Nah, kalau kalian ini perbedaannya. Kalau good night itu pada saat mau tidur. Jangan nanti jam 7 kalian masih main handphone, Anda bilang good night mom, tidak boleh. Pada umumnya good night ini digunakan pada saat Anda mau tidur. Contoh, good night mom, I want to have sleepy. Oke, good night to my dear. Nah, seperti itu ya nak ya. Next. Sudah? Is there any question? If you have any question, you can comment in our classroom, Google Classroom. Okay, thank you for your attention. I hope that you have some questions about this topic. I know that this is only review, but you must more know about the material, because of what someday I'm going to give you an exercise, no exercise, but the material about our examination. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Enjoy yourself. Okay, goodbye my students.